it's Vani. Guess what I got today?
I've been waiting for these albums for so long, so I'm really excited to open them, and I am really curious whose photo card I got. I actually don't mind if I don't get Luhan because he has like poodle hair, it looks funny, but I don't know, let's just see, we'll open it. I'm really excited, let's open it.
So today's video is going to be an unboxing of EXO-K and exo-m's Overdose albums. Oh, I'm really excited. Which one should we open first, K or M? Let's go with K. This is what it looks like. It's like black instead of white in the middle, but I'll show you guys up close later. What is this photo card I got? Oh, I see the photo card. This is the moment of truth. Who did I get? Who did I get? Oh, I got Chanyeol. He looks so cute. Look at his ears. Oh my god. Now for M. M. This one's hard to open. Why did they make this one so hard to open? Okay, there. Where's the photo card? Where is it? You see it. Here it is. Please be Luhan or Sehan or Baekhyun or I don't know. It's Xiumin. Pink hair, so cute. Oh, look, I want to squish him. Anyways, so let's go to the close-up. I already took off the packaging from the album so that it will be easier for me to open. These are the stickers that were on there. The exo-m one, and this is the EXO-K one. So let's start with the unboxing of the Korean version. It is black in the middle, and if you look closely, there are letters and numbers. I am actually not really sure what they mean, but if some of you guys know, you can let me know in the comment section below. So if we take a look at the side, EXO-K second mini album, and then we have the name of the album, Overdose, and in Korean, and then also it says here exo-m. And on the other side, it's just the pattern. And on the back, we have the track lists. So Overdose, Moonlight, Thunder, Run, and Love. So now, let's open it. Like that. There's actually a pattern. Ooh, this is the maze pattern. This is the photo book. But let's look at the CD first. It's the maze that they were trapped in, and if we look closely, if I can just get my camera to focus, it also has the track list names. Overdose, blah blah blah, Thunder. Okay, and of course all albums come with this thingy. I guess it's only for people who live in Korea, right? And here's my photo card. Chanyeol. I'm trying to think of my friends who are Chanyeol stans. Gaia and Sammy. Look, it's your bae. I have your bae. And okay, so I'm gonna flip through the photo book really quickly. We have Kai, Sehun, Kaisu, Suho, Baekhyun, Chanyeol, Dio, Baekhyun, Suho, Chanyeol, Sehun. And then the lyrics of the songs and acknowledgements, and yeah, that is it for EXO-K. Let's move on to exo-m now. Exo-m is basically the same, except it's white or silver in the middle. It also has the numbers and letters on the front. This is the side. Other side. It's in Chinese. And then the back. It also has the track list names. So let's open it. Oh, this one's a bit harder to open. I don't know why. Excuse me. Okay. So inside is black. The photo book is also black. The CD is black as well. Take a closer look. Why is everything upside down? The track list names. It comes with this again, and this is my Xiumin photo card. In the back. Oh, I hear the ice cream man. Sorry. Oh, my dog. This is the photo book and the back of the photo book. So let's scan through it quickly. Oh, Luhan! Xiumin. Oh my god, Luhan's poodle hair. Why did they give him that hairstyle? Look, he looks like a freaking, like, I don't know, he's part of the Italian mafia or something. There's no such thing as Italian mafia, but anyways. I just don't like it. That's why I didn't really mind if I didn't get his photo card, but yeah. Chris. Xiumin Town. He looks cute here. There. They fixed his hair. They covered it with a beanie. Ooh, Tao looking good. The photo book's really nice. And also the lyrics in Chinese for the different songs. Acknowledgements. And yeah. That is it for the unboxing of the albums. And this is the official Overdose poster. I just want to say a big thank you to Samantha or Kim Jongchul on Instagram for sending me the Luhan Polaroids for my birthday and also sending me this. That's really cute and I really loved it. Thank you, Sam. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!
How come I never get Luhan? How come I never get my bias's photo card? I'm cursed. I'm cursed.